everybody, it is Saturday. Words. I have had a busy day and it's like a lot I have to do and get done. I'm doing some marketing stuff for my real estate as well as for my other job. Sometimes on the weekends I'll catch up on that. Did some cleaning, did a bunch of filming, and I still want to do a little bit more. It's so hot out today. It's like in the 80s and it's beautiful and lovely. If I could sit outside and still see my computer screen, I totally would be out there working. Try putting a box around my screen and random stuff to still be able to see it when I'm outside, but I just can't do it. I hope you're having a great weekend. Went to mow and I ran out of gas, so I'm at my gas station. We filled up. We're gonna get this mowing done. Really drenched in lawnmower sweat, so that's fun. I went over a big weed and my lawnmower started smoking and now it's not working. Less than 20 minutes till the sun goes down and a quarter of my lawn that I have to still do. So please cross your fingers for me. Oh my gosh. I'm so heady and sore already, and I caved and turned on my AC, or I would have, I think, literally overheated. It was like 81 degrees before I turned on the AC, so like, I just knew I had to. I love warm weather, so like, I was loving it, but at the same time, I think it was making me a little bit lethargic. I'm not even gonna lie. And that's not an excuse, that's just truth. I still have a lot more to do, and my freaking, okay, I went over like a bump on my lawnmower. I like pushed it just a little bit with my foot because I couldn't get it over this big weed, and then it started smoking and stopped. So I'm a little bit scared I can't get it to start up again. I checked the oil, I have gas, so I'm gonna have to reapproach in the morning. And worst case, oh, look at my arms, I'm getting swole, man. That wasn't even that funny, I just found it amusing. Worst case scenario, I'm gonna have to just call my stepdad and admit I'm a not expert and I might have screwed me up. And tomorrow I'm gonna try and get to Menards. I really need some, what's it called? Not cement, but like stuff that you put between bricks, whatever the hell it's called. Mortar? I really can't think right now, but I'm gonna post my TikTok. I'm gonna take a bath. Hello everybody, it is Sunday. I am working on some real estate stuff. I also am like amidst cleaning. I'm kind of going back and forth between the two. It is crazy to me that I waited so long for it to get so nice out, and now that it is, I'm sitting inside with the AC on. The paradox is unreal, but otherwise I swear I'm pretty sure yesterday I was feeling like lethargic because I was just so hot and sticky and feeling gross. Getting a bunch of crap done, which always feels good to me, and I have a lot more I'm gonna do. Also, I tested my lawnmower this morning and it's up and working, so I wonder if it just like overheated or something yesterday. I'm not really sure, but yeah, happy Sunday. I just finished my listing appointment and it went really good. To Menards because I've been putting it off forever, so I'm gonna squeeze in a Menards run, and it's so nice out. Looking good. This is style. My dresser's been broke for a while, so tonight I'm fixing it. I just got done with working on some of my house stuff, and this is normally how I look when it's done. Just paint on my face. Didn't even notice till I started filming, so. I didn't get my appointment! Hello everybody, it is Wednesday. On my lunch break right now, I have been got something stuck in my throat. I'm picking up my sister and we are getting lunch. I have just been insanely busy this week. It's all good things. It's been super nice YouTube video, it's a video.
Yeah.
It's our lunch date. Lena and I are here on our lunch date. Want me to take a picture of you? Yeah? We got our sushi. Yay! The whole gang's here!
Eventually, the person damn it, and goals in life is traveling to every single state.
That's really cool, I know. Why are you laughing?
Shauna?
So what? You trying to say I got boring? Not well.
I think is that your boyfriend?
It's my partner. It's my real estate partner.
I don't.
Remember that one time that you? Okay, I almost just landed in dog poop too, Lena. Look at, I almost landed in dog poop. Can you see up my dress? In the picture? Everybody, it is Thursday and I'm sitting in the dark in my coat still. I had to send over some documents to e-sign for real estate stuff. I've just had a crazy busy week and I'm pretty tired, to be honest. You can probably tell. It's really cold out today. It's all gross and rainy. I thought that we were past the point of having to turn on our heat, but I had to. So I'm back with my heater just sitting there. I'm so tired. I have to go to bed early today. I'm feeling a little bit, teeny bit. I'm not gonna say that. I sat you down for a second because my arm's sore. I'm feeling a little out of it, to be honest. And I tend to get really into work and then I forget, like, oh, like, it's okay to, like, have fun and relax. I've been pooped on and peed on, but they're alive.
I wish, I don't know what else.
And I'm afraid this little runt one's gonna get killed. Look how tiny he is. They're
I mean, look at that little,
I'm afraid of. Like,
okay.
but they do have little holes in their nostrils.
Well, yeah.
Baby. There's a little bit of a situation, Michelle.
Because it was
It fell
on the ground.
Hello everybody, I'm back home. It's Friday night. I'm about to work on a few projects. What you saw earlier was a bunch of chaos. My little sister had been outside. She saw a nest. Baby birds on the ground. Saw a normal grown bird by the babies, but then our dog chased it and got it and killed it before she could intervene. The dog was too fast. I went home on my lunch break and did a bunch of Google searches on what to do. I couldn't drive them to the animal wildlife sanctuary because I had a few appointments that were unavoidable, and so I just gave them what the internet said to with a dropper for food to keep them kind of like alive and well, because it said they eat really frequently when they're babies. Went fine, and then when my mom got done with work, she took it to a wildlife rehabilitator. So I hope that the little baby bird survived. That was a weird experience. Did that earlier, and then I had some real estate appointments to do. Now I'm gonna be home working on some stuff. So that's my day.